What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, what's up? I'll tell you what's up. I moved again. Well, not really moved, but I got a new studio. I just finished getting pretty much everything put together, so I think it's time for a 2024 studio tour, so let's get into it. No nonsense. We're going for it, and I'm gonna talk you guys through this because I know that you guys don't like nonsense. Who likes nonsense? Do you? There's no one there. So I guess to start things off, we can chat about the desk. This is the same desk that I've been using for quite a while now, and it's the Shift standing desk from Ergonoffice. It's a sit-stand desk. It comes in ice white, as you can see directly behind me, and I've been using it for a while. I have no complaints. It sits and stands at a perfect height for someone of my size, which is 6 feet. This is an ergonomic stool. I got it from Autonomous and it sucks. I do not recommend it. It is supposed to be ergonomic, but I find myself leaning onto my desk more often than not because it doesn't have arms. The height is adjustable on it, but the seat isn't very comfortable. Let's go with a 3 out of 10. Moving on to this little bundle of joy. This is the newest addition to the space, and it's the Honeywell HWT-01A. It boasts intelligent photo-like processor, it is extremely easy on the eyes, and it includes Honeywell's self-developed core technology. The small round lamp head is equipped with full-spectrum LED lamp beads, providing bright and focusing light without obstructing the view. With its 4,000 Kelvin color temperature, the lamp simulates the soft sunlight. It's got a fully articulating arm and can be positioned in a number of ways that will suit anybody's space. Unlike other plastic lamps, this lamp is created from high-quality aviation aluminum alloy. I'm in love with it, and I think the aesthetic is very pleasing. Now I suppose we can chat about the monitor. The monitor is something that I get tons of questions about because it's absolutely insane. This thing is massive, and it is undeniably a statement piece for anybody's desk setup. This is the LG 45GR95QE from LG Ultra Gear. It's a 45-inch 4K OLED panel with G-Sync compatibility, a 0.03 millisecond response time, and a 240 Hz refresh rate. This thing is nuts. I love it, and I will continue to use it until the day that I die. What about the speakers, you might ask? Yeah, what about them? These are the KEF LSX2 LTs. They were sent to me by KEF. I've been using them for roughly 2 weeks, and so far they are the best audio quality that I've ever heard. And I'm not just saying that. They didn't pay me to say that. That is my honest opinion. These things absolutely bang for bookshelf speakers, and 10 out of 10 would recommend. Now you're probably thinking that there's a bit of a theme here. Everything seems to be premium. Most of the stuff in my setup costs a decent amount of money. All of the products are very good quality, except for this. That's right, folks. I'm still using a 2020 M1 MacBook Air. You heard me, a MacBook Air. I know what you're thinking. Why? Well, it's because I'm a cheapskate and I can't afford another one, or at least I couldn't. I can now. So I'm thinking about upgrading. So why don't you guys leave me your opinion in the comments below, whether I should get a MacBook Pro or if I should get a Studio. I'm sticking with Apple. I love it, and I've been editing on it for almost 3 years, so I'm gonna stay within that ecosystem. Give me your opinions below and I'll check them out. Next up, we've got another little doozy from Autonomous. This is their filing cabinet, and it showed up broken. Okay, it's not broken, but the side of it has a gigantic dent in it. And get this, the box, unscathed. The styrofoam inside the box, untouched. Filing cabinet, beyond repair. This thing is mangled in the back. Come here, I'll show you. Can you guys see that? You see that? Isn't that just unacceptable? Bad Autonomous. Very, very bad. Now, just above this ridiculous excuse for a filing cabinet, we have something that's actually good. These are the Nanoleaf Lines. I've had them in a bunch of different spaces over the course of the last couple of years. They had a nice little bit of spice in every space that I bring them into, and I'll bring them with me wherever I go. Adjacent to the Lines Kit from Nanoleaf, there's this bad boy. Probably one of my favorite additions to the new space. This is the STENDIG Calendar. I bought it from Indigo for $100. Google STENDIG, and I'm sure you'll be able to find it in no time. And for those of you that are curious about the strip light behind my desk, it's just a very standard strip light. I found it in a gigantic box full of bullshit in my apartment, and I slapped it on the back of the desk. I don't know who made it, I couldn't find a label on it, so I'm not going to recommend it. I'm still using the MX Master 3 mouse from Logitech. It just can't be beat. I have nothing else to say about it. Is that the same keyboard that I've had this entire time? Why, yes. Yes, it is. This is the OG80 Darkside from Iqunix, and I will never let it go. Shout out to my friends at Iqunix. This little baby right here is the Elgato Stream Deck Pro or the Elgato Stream Deck Plus, depending on where you are. It's got these cute little customized blue knobs on it. I use it pretty frequently to open different programs, and you could use it to stream on OBS and stuff like that. I don't stream yet, but maybe I will in the future. Next up, we have this little baby. This is a desk shelf from Balolo. Balolo is an incredible company. I've been working with them for the better part of a year. All of their products are handmade in Germany, and these are premium products. Like, I can barely lift these things. That's how heavy they are. Sure, maybe I have to go to the gym more, but aside from that, they are dense in the best way possible. All jokes aside, I love Balolo. They're not paying me to say that, but they are very, very good. These little guys up here are the Elgato soundproofing foam panels, or I think they're called gaming panels or gaming foam. I'm not really sure. I'll link them down in the description. They help with acoustics a little bit from what I can tell. The entire room's not plastered in them, so I can't really see a difference, but I think they look pretty cool and they have a unique design. And this little cutie is the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. I've got it mounted to the Elgato Wave low profile mic arm, and it's pretty sweet. It's nice to see something that's a little out of the ordinary compared to all the usual mic arms because they all look the same and they're all a little meh. What, these? These right here? These are Kanto speaker stands. I forget the model of them, so I'll link it in the description of the video, but I've been using them for about 8 months and they are rock solid. While we're over here in the deep corners of the desk, I'll also point out this. It's a little desk-mounted power brick. I found it on the Autonomous website. It's not even Autonomous brand. I'm not sure why it was there, but it serves its purpose. Out of the 3 things I got from Autonomous, the power brick is the best. So take that as you will. I'm back. I forgot to film an outro, and there was a couple of things that I wanted to say, so here we are. We just crossed 20,000 subs, which is absolutely mental. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for rocking with me and hanging out on the channel. I appreciate it. Now that I'm in the studio, I'm gonna try to put out more videos more frequently. I've got the space to do it. I'm comfortable here, so stay tuned for more of that. Also, I produced all of the music in this video, so if you guys are digging that, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to do more of it. Mostly just to mix in some more creativity. I used to do a lot of music back in the day, so I'm thinking about incorporating more of that into my content. Also, just to get away from subscription platforms because that shit is not cheap and it adds up. So if you're into that, let me know, and I'll keep trying to produce music for the videos. Other than that, yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this style of video. Maybe I'll do another one. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I guess that's it. Peace out for now.